Okay, so this video demonstrates the cross-post function in OneCart. So we're going to work with, so this is my demo account. To get you started, go to Manage Listings over here, and then pull up the listing you want to copy. In this case, we'll work with a Lazada listing. This one is a test sample listing. It's a hoodie. So if you click on cross-post option, and then over here, select the shop you want to post over to. So in this case, it's Shopee. So OneCart automatically populates the staging area for you. I'm going to go and find the Shopee category for this item. Weight, I'll just put 1 by default. You can, no brand, I'll just keep it as no brand and no, just to go quickly. Let me find a different image real quick here. I have it. Where is it? Just a quick little image right here. Here I'll add the colors, so red, 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 and then blue. Click on load. So these images, of course, have to be preloaded into OneCart for this to work. And then, yeah, step 5, create listing on Shopee. Okay, so it says create listing success. Please note it may take a few minutes for the images to appear on your platforms. So let's go ahead and view listing. All right, so this is the listing we just created. And to view it, click on this blue button. And here it is. This is the listing.